This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Kimberly Denton. When you step into this house with a bright, open floor plan, you will feel the warmth of a home ready for entertaining, including formal living and dining rooms. Featuring a bay window and kitchen and wood-burning fireplace, you will surely find a cozy place that's your spot in this home. The unfinished walk-in attic is ready for your personal touch and could be converted to a home office, game room or fourth bedroom. Located in Landstown area, near the farmers market, this home offers easy access to shopping, dining and major area employers. For more information, review the details below.